Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Sir, you cannot know.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, right. Good evening, my dear students. You are all are warm welcome to the another questionnaire session of the biological class. Today we are going to discuss about the remaining part of the questions. Last class we discussed up to 25 questions is there. Okay. So this is the last question we saw it, isn't it, my dear students? The given graphical representation is also here. Two types of curve is the one is called a J-shaped curve. Another one is called as what is that? S-shaped curve. Otherwise called as what is that? J-shaped curve is denoted as the exponential curve. Okay. They denote as dn divided by dt. That is equal to Rn. Okay. The logistic curve is same is that you are adding the k minus n divided by k. Same aspect is there, but you are adding this one. So this is called a sigmoid curve, otherwise called as S curve, otherwise called as logistic curve. Okay. Then C is called as what is the carrying capacity. This is the maximum capacity of the which one plant growth or population growth, whatever it may be. Okay. So the option is 3 is already we discussed. Next one is called as 26th questions also. Okay. So what is this one? This question also very, very important. So many times they ask the question, my dear. So many times they ask the question. Okay. See, the organism able to maintain homeostasis. What is the meaning of homeostasis? Maintain body temperature. Okay. Body temperature. By physiological and behavioral means are. It is a conformer. What is the meaning of conformer? They cannot be able to maintain their body temperature. That is called as conformer. So the option is cyclotherms, maintain. Cannot maintain. Okay. And homeothermal, so maintain the homeostasis. Internal body temperature can be maintained. This is called as warm-blooded animal. Warm blood. Okay, blooded animals. Last one is it will not come. So the answer is the third one is the correct answer. You just read the question paper. What is by conformer? You should note it down. What is by conformer? How it will be there? You should know the answer. You can easily pick up the answer. Then only you will get the correct ideas. See the confusion here only. 2 and 3 they have skin. Cyclothermic is also maintained, but it is a warm-blooded animal. This is one is called as what is that? See that the homeothermals or warm-blooded animals can maintain their internal body temperature. They are referred to as the regulators. So another name is called as what? Homeothermal is also called as regulators. What is that? Regulators. Just note it down. This is very, very important. This is also called as regulator. So homeostasis otherwise called as regulator. This is the point, my dear. So it can be two aspect. Okay, maybe. The answer is the C is the correct one. What are the next questions? Just read the question carefully. The stage of suspended development under unfavorable conditions. Okay. Okay. So development under unfavorable conditions. So by then of the following organisms. Okay. See the suspended development under unfavorable condition. Which one it comes under? Normally, you know, this is the key point. This is the key point. This is the key point under unfavorable conditions. Okay. So phytoplankton, where it is the no. So take an example. So any one of the what is a suspended area. Okay. What happened? You know. Okay. Phytoplankton, where is no, it may be swimming, free swimming nature. This is phytoplankton. Bears, it will not. The fishes already in our bird. It is also a middle area. Fishes, zooplankton. Zooplankton is also here. Here, unfavorable condition, which one is the shown by a when the following suspended development means, just imagine which one is the correct answer. No? Zooplankton is the correct answer. Phytoplanktons, it will not come. Bears, it will not come. Fishes, it will not come. Okay. So, which one is the correct answer? No, zooplankton is the correct answer. These are all direct questions. Okay. Okay. See the option. Many zooplankton species in lake and ponds enter diapause, a stage of suspended development. This is the concept. This is the concept, my dear. Diapause is also called as what is that? Suspended development. Another name. To avoid unfavorable condition, it can migrate from the one place to another place. Zooplankton. Fishes, they will not move one place to another place. Present as it is in the lake. Present as it is. Zooplankton, they can move. Okay. So the option is the fourth one is the correct one. And then 28th question, just read the statement. Which one is the wrong statement they asked? Which one is the wrong statement? Just imagine. Wrong about the predators. Wrong about the predator. Predator reduce the intensity of the competition among the competing prey species. Yes. Reduce means definitely it will be reduced. So this is the right answer. Take an examples, deer and lion. Okay. So predator, which one is the deer is the predator or prey? This is the prey, isn't it, my idea? Prey. This one is called as predator. Okay. Suppose prey is decrease, automatically a predator also decrease. That is called as. So each one is correct. Predator acts as a context of energy transfer across the trophic level. Yes, predator is the act as a conduit for energy transfer across the trophic level. Yes, it is also a correct one. See that a sparrow yarning a seed cannot be considered as a predator. Okay, this is the wrong statement. The sparrow yarning a seeding, it can consider as a predator, not considered they have given. So the option is here. The key is here. The key point. Key point means the clue. Okay, my dear. So this is the point, my dear. Again, the predator keep prey population under control. Yes, 100 and 100 and 1000 and 100% is correct one. So this point. So this is also a correct one. They ask the question is the which one is the wrong statement about the predator. They ask the so yeah, sparrow earning a seed. What is that? Cannot be considered as a predator. So no, it is a considered as a predator. See the option is the sparrow eating seed. They have given is the spelling mistake here. Here eating. Okay, my dear, eating. Okay, seed is no less like a predation. So the option is the third one is the correct answer. Abington tortoise in Galapagos Island become extinct when goats were introduced. Already we saw it this on the island because what happened, you know, already we discussed this point. Okay, already we discussed. See this. Abington tortoise high advantage of organism. Highly advantage, no. Okay. And then Abington tortoise have a greater browsing efficiency. No. Goat have a great browsing efficiency than Abington tortoise. Is that correct? Goat killed the tortoise on the island. No. So the option is the third one is the correct answer. Just read the question paper. Definitely you will get the answer within short period. See, there is an example is a competition between the two species due to the greater browsing efficiency of the goat. Abington tortoise became extinct due to the lack of food. Tortoise, what happened? No lack of food. What happened? It can be migrate from the one place to another place. That's why it is also extinct. Goat, they need only the grasses. It's enough for any one of the plantlets. Okay, plants or something else is enough. But here, what happened? They need what is that? Food. Okay, that's why extinct. It's completely disappears. Like the extinct means it may be that particular area, it will be completely eradicated. There is nil. Okay, go to the next one. Barnacles. growing on a back of a whale is a classical examples of. Classical examples of. Which one, already we discussed. Barnacle growing on a back of whale is a classical examples of commensalism. Okay, this one is also already we saw it. Commensalism. These three are, it will not come here. How it will be there? Just to see it. Barnacles growing on a back of whale is an examples of commensalism where barnacle get benefited, while whale neither harmed nor benefited. Okay, see this one. Whale is not benefited. Okay, okay. Whale is not benefited here because whale is a big animal, isn't it? Whale is a big animal. Here there is a small animal is sitting on it. I mean, fly swimming along with the predator. What happened? Other animals, they will not get together, isn't it? It will not come near because it's the biggest one. So it is safety for the barnacle. Okay. But here what happens? Suppose the barnacle is present here, it will not harm for the by which one, barnacle. That is very, very important, my dear students. This is also important. What is the next one? Statement 1. The natality rate increases the population size and population density also. Yes, natality means increase the population only, living things. So this one is correct. Okay, this one is correct. The population size always measured in the numbers only. No, it is not related to the numbers. So the aspect is, what is it? Both the statements are correct. No, here see that. So it will not come. Both the statements are incorrect. No, it is not come. Only the statement 1 is correct. Yes, 1 is correct only. Second statement is also here wrong. Okay, only statement 2 is correct. 2 is wrong. So this is also comes. This is answer is not also comes under our guessing. So this is the correct option. Read the question. Natality is also related to the increasing of population size. Correct only, and also density also. Population size is always measured numbers only. No, it is not like I say numbers. Okay, that is the point. See this one. The population size need to be the necessarily measured in numbers. It can be measured in terms of biomass also in certain cases. That is the point. Population size measured in the, but how it will be there? Biomass. Okay, so the option is wrong. See that. 32. Statement 1. Decomposer has largest population in a food chain. Okay. Decomposer. Already in our what is by decomposer? Okay. What is by decomposer? Just to take an example, say any one of the leaf like this. The leaf is also fallen to, okay, from the plant. Okay. What happened now? Detorious. Okay. Act upon the microorganism. Microorganism. What does it mean by microorganism? Decompose. What happened now? The complex molecules, okay, converted into simple molecules. Okay, simple molecules. Isn't it, my dear? Activity. So this one is a correct. Food chain. It is also very, very important. Largest population. Yes, algae. Okay, fungi. Okay, and also bacteria. Okay, so many components present in the decomposer group. So it's a correct one. Next one is what is the low temperature and anaerobic inhibit the decomposition. Low temperature. Yes, definitely. Low temperature means normally what happened? Normally what happened for the decomposer process? What are the requirements? High temperature and high moisture is needed. This is very, very important. This is the normal. It is very fast in nature. Fast decomposer. If you want to do, if you want a fast decomposer reaction, you have to add the temperature is also as well as the moisture is also. Moisture in the soil also. Very, very important. Here they have told which one, Moisture means and also addition of oxygen. Oxygen is essential, but here they told anaerobic means what is that? Absence of oxygen. Absence of oxygen. At the same time, low temperature means, so the reaction is very slow, mainly, very slow nature. When these condition is appear, low temperature as well as the anaerobic condition is there, present, what happened? The decomposer activity very, very, very slow. It will take up to 200 years for the decomposition process. Suppose the temperature is also high and moisture is also high, the oxygen content is also high, the reaction, it will be happen within 2 days or 20 days. See the difference between these two. Okay. It will take 200 years or 20 years means 20 days. Which one is the easiest way? So you have to note it down. So this one is the, which one, This one is also here. Correct. Low temperature and anaerobic inhibit the decomposition. Yes. Inhibit means what? It will take more time, So this is also a correct statement. So the option is 1. Okay. So don't forget, my dear. See here. The decomposer have a largest population in a food chain. Low temperature inhibit the decomposition. Warm and moisture environment favor decomposition. Already told you. What is that? They need requirement is, what is that? Warm. Temperature is also increased. The moist. Moist means oxygen as well as the water content. Okay. Water content. What is that? Warm. Temperature increases. At the same time, temperature increases. Plus, what is that? High moist content. Moist content in the soil. Content in the soil. Plus, moist means what is that? Water content. So, oxygen already present. So, what happened, it inhibit. Suppose if it is increased, what happened? Warm and moist environment favor decompose. Normally, it's favor. Okay. Suppose if it is low, inhibit the decomposition. The option is which one? A is the correct one. So, see the next one. Okay. Next, in a pyramid of biomass, if total dry weight of primary consumer is about 37 kilogram per meter square, it will decrease at tertiary consumer level up to, direct question, my dear, this one. This one you must know, direct question. First of all, you should note it down. If you know the answer only, you will answer it. This one. So which one is the highest one? No? 1.5 kilogram. So this one is 37. Where it present, pyramid of biomass, if total dry weight of primary consumer is about, primary consumer will decrease at territory consumer level up to decrease, they told the clue. So which one is the decrease here? So lowest level, this one is that. Okay, the reading is 37 means you have to calculate 1.5 kg meter square is the correct way. So the option is second one. See the solution? They told referred because they have given us a diagrammatical representations. Pyramids of biomass show a sharp decreases in biomass at higher tropical level. Okay, my dear. So go to the next one. Which ecological pyramid is always upright, can never be inverted? Note it down, my dear student. This is very, very important questions. NEET 2023. What is the question? The ecological pyramid always upright, always, can never be inverted. Inverted means, see, this is considered upright. This is called as upright. So here what happened, each and every tropical level, what happened here? This is the considered tropical level. This is producer. Okay, this is the producer. Okay, well, so here what happened, there is a grasses is a producer. So it will be high numbers also. Here they have given us energy level, biomass level, number level. Okay. So which one is the highest? Energy only is the highest level. Others are inverted is also possible. Which one is a pyramid of biomass, pyramid of number? These two, it has a reversible. That means inverted. Okay. Inverted is also possible. Biomass and number. But in the case of energy level, what happened? No, it may be upright only, it is not inverted. because each and every tropic level, there is a 10% loss. So as a result, what happened? Energy is lost only. So as a result, the tip is sharp and then bottom is a very high. So the energy is one. So this is the correct answer. This is the connection. Okay, my dear. See that? Pyramid of energy can never be inverted because when energy flow from the tropic level to next tropic level, some energy always lost as heat. That is the things. Here I told 10% of law. This was proposed by the name of the scientist called as Linderman. 10% law was given by, who is the Linderman? Don't forget, my dear student, this is NEET question. Definitely it will come. Only the energy, not these two. So the options D also, it will not come. See, the next one is, okay. In which zone large woody veins are more commonly found? Okay. Where? Woody. This is the key point. Keyword, clue. Okay. Woody veins more commonly. Temperate forest? No. Polar zone? No. Okay. So both 1 and 2. 1, it's not come, so it will not come. So the option is tropical region. Normally, the tropical region rainforest, don't forget, it has a woody, large woody veins are more common found. Which zone they asked? Tropical. This is also a direct question. Okay, my dear. See that one? The large woody veins are commonly found in tropical rainforest only. Okay. See this one. The colonization of the tropical Pacific island by human lead to extinct of. Okay. This is also, you must note it down, the numbers. Definitely, the numbers you must know, then only you will get the answer. You will give the answer. Pacific island is a very big island, isn't it? Okay. Here they have given more than 2,000 species. Very big, I told you. Okay. More than 2,000 species of native birds is the correct one. Because the Pacific island, how many is extinct? Extinct, red data book. Okay, don't forget this one, ICUN. Red data book. Data book. Don't forget ICUN. Okay, so this is the correct option. And less than 2,000 species were native bird, no. Less than, no. More than 784 species of native birds, no. 1,200 species of native birds, no. So this one is the correct. Which one? A tropical Pacific island. Okay. Right. The human activities cause greater harm to biodiversity. Habitat loss in one major evil quarter. Tropical Pacific island colonization lead to more than 2,000 species of native birds extinct, completely eradicated, completely nil in that particular area. How many is there? More than 2,000 species. That is the point. Next one is, it's a very, very important point. Last question is also very, very important, my dear student. This is also an important point. Just listen here. Total number of wildlife sanctuaries in India. These are all are present in the India only. Okay. Each one it has a specific things is there. For example, 90, 500, 448, 37. Which one is the correct answer? Is the wildlife sanctuary? How much is 448 is the correct answer. 900, 500, 34. Total biodiversity, biosphere. It means how many biosphere in our country? 34. See that key, you will get the answer. India currently has 14 biosphere reservoir. So note it down, my dear student. This is very, very important. How many reservoir is there? 14 bio reservoir is there. Okay. So 14 bio reservoir. The 19 national parks. Don't forget 90 national parks. Okay. National park. And then 445 world sanctuaries. 448. 448. So this is the question. Okay, you must note it down, these three things. Definitely this time it will come, my dear student, 2023. Okay, my dear. Any one of the question is there. Next one is, India has only 2.4 of the world land area. Listen here, this is very, very important. World land area, 2.4% of the world land area. Its area global species diversity is about, how much do you know? How much is there? No, 8.1%. India has only 2.5 of the world land. What is the meaning of this one? India. Okay. Total 100% means India only, they have the, which one you know? 2.4%. The global species diversity is about how much is there? No, 8.1%, 8.1% present in it in the India. These are the important points. This is also a direct question, my dear. Just to go and check it, you will get the biodiversity. Just to go and check it, biodiversity, you will get the answer for these questions. Definitely you will get it. Because India has only 2.4 world land area. Yes, its share the global species diversity is an impressive 8.1%. This is what makes our country one of 12 mega diversity country of the world. World level, 12 mega diversity. Which one in a mega diversity is? How many mega diversity is also present in the world? It's also one of the question, my dear students. It is also a very important question. 12 mega diversity. Okay. 34. What is that? What is that? Global diversity. Okay. 34. Okay. See here. Go to the next one. Water Prevention Control Pollution Act. Already we discussed in the match of the following. Once upon a time we saw it, this one. Water Prevention Control Pollution Act passed by Government of India. Okay. Which year? Already know very about. This is the part. Which one is the least one? Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act passed by the government in the year 1974. Others, it will not come. So 1974 only. Okay. This is also a direct question. Already I told you. Yes, definitely comes. And days also. Okay. AIDS Day. Okay. Human Population Day. July 11. Sorry. Okay. July 11. Yes. World Science Day. Doctors Day. Likewise. Okay, major. Don't forget. Right. See that. Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act passed in the year 1974 by Government of India. So the answer is the first one. Go to the next questions. Assertion and reasoning. Inheritance pattern of ABO blood grouping in humans shows the codominant and multiple allelism. Okay. Already you know what about. Given examples of multiple allelism. Which one is the example, you know? Multiple allelism. Allelism means ABO blood group. So the option is, first one is correct. The ABO group blood grouping controlled by I gene, which possesses 3 alleles. 2 alleles are completely dominant over the third one. Yes, it is also correct one. Okay, so the option is which one? Both are correct means see the this one is the correct explanation of one. Okay, you know about I, A, IB. Another one called as what is that? If suppose we are writing like this one, no? IA and IB. Another one is called as, listen here. I. Okay, this one. So when you are consider these type of allelism, these are also multiple allelism. Okay, AB blood group is the multiple allelism. Examples of ABO blood grouping. Already you know about it. Yes, correct only. But second one is A blood grouping controlled by I gene. Yes, this is the I gene. Controlling. which possess 3 alleles. 2 alleles are completely dominant. Which one is the alleles are completely dominant? A and B are dominant. O is a recessive. That is the things. So the option is A is correct. The remaining things are false. This is also important questions, my dear students. 2020 or 19. Just to go and refer the question paper, you will get the option. So many times, 3 to 4 times they ask the question in this part. What is the next one? ABO blood grouping is human is a classical example of multiple allelism. Already told you. There are more than 2 alleles which control blood grouping out of 3 alleles. 2 alleles are completely dominant. Hence, it is also an example of co-dominant. Suppose already in our co-dominance, what is the meaning of co-dominant? A particular gene was controlled by more than 1 allele. It is this. That is the thing. That is the things that has given here. ABO blood grouping of controlled by I gene only. The particular gene controls the more than 1 alleles. Okay. So that is called as co-dominance. Given examples of multiple allele means ABO blood grouping. Already we saw it. Okay, see the co-dominant, which is an exception to the Mendel's law of dominance. Note it down. This is my idea. Which one of the examples is an exception of the Mendel's laws? Like that, they may ask ask means you have to give the which one ABO blood group. Otherwise called as what is a multiple allelism. Multiple allelism. How many genes are there? 1 gene control more than 3 alleles. Sorry, I mean more than 1 alleles, more than 2 alleles. Okay, that's why it is called as multiple allelism. Okay, single gene control more than 3 alleles, 2 or 3, whatever it may be. That is called as, it is an exception of Mendel's law of dominance. That is very, very important. Okay, next one. See the option, you will get the answer. See the option, you will get the answer. See here, mammals of cold climate. Take an example, Arctic or Antarctic Pradesh, there is a cold climate is there. The temperature, it will be very less. Even minus 25 or less than 196. Imagine this much also is there. But the climate have a short hair, short limbs and tail. This is called as, who stated the statement? This one. Suppose in this area. Okay. Statement. Who stated the statement? Some of the cold climated animals, it has a short hair and short limb and also short tail also. Who stated now? See the first one. Allen's rules. This is the correct one. Okay. Remaining, it is not a correct one. Okay. The Allen stated the rules. What is the name? Some of the animals, they live in the, in the cold climate. Cold climates, Arctic or Antarctic, anywhere, in the high cold. Okay. That area, automatically the body, morphological changes which occur. That means it has a short hair. Okay. And also short limb. The limbs also very short in nature. And also it has a short tail also. Okay. This statement was given by the name of the scientist called as Allen's. So they have given us Allen's rules. Suppose it has a large ear, large tail means what happened? Large leg means they need more energy. So they have to hunt more food, isn't it? It is not possible. That's why the morphological changes also occur. This statement was given by, this analysis was given by Allen. So the rule is called as Allen's rules. See this one. Cold climate animal have a small ear limbs to minimize heat loss. What is the reason for this one? Heat loss. This is called as Allen rules. Suppose it has a big leaves, what is that? Ears or limbs or whatever ears. Okay, tail also. What happened now? They need more energy. That's why I told you. Hunting also, they have to do more. Then only they will get the energy. Okay. So that is the reason. Otherwise, what happened? It will lead to death. See that. Which statement is correct? Which statement is correct? So among the following statements, see this one. High yielding variety of crops provide more fodder. No. High yielding variety crops provide more fodder. No. It is a less fodder. Okay, the wrong statement here. In mass selection, Crop produce only one genotype. No. Mass selection means it produce more genotype. Pure line represents the progeny of homozygous plant. Yes, 100 and 100,000 times correct. The correct statement. Okay, pure line. If you want to select the pure line, what happened? You know, even take an example of tissue culture. There is a callus is there, isn't it? Okay, the plantlets also produce the callus, isn't it? Callus. If you want to get a progeny as a homozygous plant only, they told, see that automatically it will be coincident. Okay, so automatically what happens? The callus is also further undergo the subculture. Again, the subculture also again. You have to do the up to 10 times. What happened to the last one of the 10th one, this one. So here the impurities is 100%, 90%. It means what happened here? 80%, see, 80%, 70%, like that. Finally, it will get 0%. So it one is this is the highly pure line. So it is possible. This is the correct answer. Roughage is rich in nutrients, while concentrate is rich in fibers. Roughage is not rich in nutrition. Only the fibers only present in it. Less nutrition. Okay, less nutrients. See the option. High yielding variety of crop provide less fodder. Already told you. Due to the dwarfisms of high yielding varieties of crop, they yield less fodder. Already told you. Variety developed by mass selection have wider variability, wide genetic base and stability. Concentrates are low in fibers and rich in proteins and other nutrients. Roughage is rich in fiber only, I told you. Okay, so that is very, very important, my dear. So the answer is third one is the correct answer. Go to the next one. The collection of the plants and seed. Collection of the plant. See the word, keyword, clue word. The collection of the plant seeds having all the diverse alleles of all genes in a given crop is called. Given crop is called. Collection, sorry. Collection means what is that? Seed having all the diverse alleles. Diverse alleles mean different. It is not a gene library. Gene library only they store the genetical DNA or RNA, okay, and egg or sperm, isn't it here? Hybridization. Hybridization is a technique, okay, and germplasm is the correct one. Genome size. Genome size is not there. Hybridization is not there. Gene library is not there. Which one is the germplasm? Germplasm is nothing but the storage of which one, diversing characters. Collection of plants and seeds having all diverse alleles of all genes in the given crop is called as germplasm. Okay. So the option is third one is the correct one. Next one. See, the collection of plant and seed having a diverse alleles of all the genes of crop is called a germplasm collection. Any plant, take an examples of, for example, coal or petroleum also having the, what is it? Petrol. Isn't it? Petrol also have the some, what is that? Pollen grains. Isn't it? Pollen grains. Okay. The pollen grains also, again, what happened? You have to wash it for a few minutes. With the help of any other technique is also there, and then it will be grow as a new plant due to the tissue culture. Okay, that is also an important point. Next one. See this one. Maize hybrid developed 2000 had twice the amount of which amino acids. Already we saw it. This one is also a direct question, my dear student. This is definitely comes, definitely. 2000 varieties there. The which amino acids automatically you know very well about. Tryptophan is the aromatic amino acids. Serine it will not come. Both 1 and 2 it will not come. So the lysine is the amino acid. Okay. So answer which one maize. Just imagine maize. How many developed varieties is that? 2000 developed varieties. The maize it has the one of the only one type of amino acid that is called as lysine. Okay, this is the correct option. This is the correct option. Okay, tryptophan, it is aromatic amino acid. The ring structure like this, tryptophan. serine, both 1 and 2, it will not come. So these are sometimes you can, this is the confusion model. Confused. Okay, just read the question definitely. 2000 at the twice the amount of the which amino acid means lysine is the correct one. Maize. Hybrid developed. Listen here, this is the point. Hybrid developed 2000 is a keyword. Hybrid is also keyword. And amino acids. These are the three keywords is there here. You have to find out the answer. Lysine is the correct one. See that? In 2000 maize hybrid that had a twice the amount of amino acid lysine and tryptophan. Okay. So the answer, sorry, lysine and tryptophan. Sorry, extremely sorry, my dear. Lysine and tryptophan. So the answer is the fourth one is the correct answer. Extremely sorry. Okay. Go to the next one. Which of the following wrongly matched? Which of the wrongly matched? Wrongly matched. That is wrong answer. See this one. Which one is the correct answer? Is here? Busa Komal, bacterial blight. Yes, it's a correct one. Himigri is a hill bund is a correct one. Pusa Gruva is also epids. Just to note it on, this question is 2023. Definitely it will come, my dear student. Don't forget. Match the following. The Pusa Sadabahar is the white rice they have given. It is a wrong answer. Wrongly matched. Others three are correct one. Okay. See, this is also a direct question, my dear. Direct. See this one. Pusa Sabadar is a variety of chili. And it is a resistant disease like a chili virus, tobacco mosaic virus, leaf curl. Pusa swamin of a brassica is resistant to the disease white rust. So the option is which one, which one is the responsible for the white rust? Busa swamin. Here they have given as a Busa Sadabahar. Know the difference between these two. Which is the white rust producing disease resistant producing variety, no? Pusa swamin is the one, white one. See the second letter W, isn't it? Pusa swamin. Second letter is W. Here the first letter is W. So it is also interrelation. Sometimes it's a small clue. You can easily identify the answer. Okay. Next one is, which of the following statement about breeding is wrong? All are incorrect statement only. Wrong statement only they ask. Isn't it? Wrong statement. See the first one. Inbreeding increases homozygosity. Inbreeding. Yes. Homozygosity, it will be increased. Suppose self-pollinated. Okay. What happened now? It increased the homozygosity. Again, what happened here? So only the homozygosity will be possible. Inbreeding expose harmful recessive genes that are eliminated by the selection. Okay. It is also a correct one. Okay. And continuous inbreeding reduce the fertility and productivity. Yes, already we know about continuous inbreeding. Continuously inbreeding, what happened? The male, what happened? Inbreed depression happened, isn't it? That is the things. Last one. Inbreeding inhibit evolution of pure line animals. Inbreeding inhibit evolution. Evolution means crossing way. Need. Pure line animals, it is not that. So this is the wrong answer, my dear. This is the wrong answer. What happened? Inbreeding inhibit the evolution of pure line in animals. It is wrong. See the option. Inbreeding is necessary if we want to evolve. Okay. Evolve a pure line in animals. Pure line. Inbreeding is necessary if we want to evolve a pure line in animals is the correct option. Gobar gas, already you know, but this is very, very important. Direct question is also, my dear. Gobar gas. Just to take an examples of cow dung. Okay. Where it present? Mythogenic bacteria. Mythogenic bacteria. Where it present? Cow dung. Already you know about. Okay. Particularly herbivorous. Herbivorous. In the midgut. Midgut. Ruminant of the midgut of the herbivorous. The methogenic bacteria present. And already studied in archaeobacteria. Classification of bacteria, otherwise called as what is that? Monera. Okay. Already studied Monera. So the Gobar gas means what is that? CH4 is the correct one. The methane. Okay. So the CO2 it is not. It is a global warming gas. Greenhouse effect. Okay. Greenhouse effect. Don't forget, my dear students. This one we do not know. Nitric acid, acid rain. Okay. The Gobar has which maximum amount of which one? Methane only is the correct one. Methane only is the correct one. Okay, my dear. Go to the next one. Methane gas is produced by the greater amount of Gobar gas because of the presence of methobacterium in the cow dung. Okay. Go to the next one. Embryo developed from somatic cell is called as embryo developed. That is, embryo means embryoid. Simply. What is that? Embryo means embryoid. Okay. Hybrid, cybrid, none of this. What is by hybrid? What is by cybrid? Cybrid means cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. What is that? Plus another cytoplasm. A strain, this is considered a B strain. It's together, you will get the cybrid. Okay. Cybrid. Hybrid means to plant. A plant or B plant. Embryoid is the development of somatic cell. Embryo means embryoid. None of this it will not come. So go to the next one. Embryoid is embryo which develop from the somatic cell, not from a gametic cell. It is somatic embryogenesis. Okay. Don't forget. This is also a NEET question, my dear. 2023. Definitely it will come. Okay. Go to the next one. Okay. See here. The buffalo's breed can be improved by super ovulation and embryo transplantation. Okay. Buffalo breed can be improved by super ovulation. Yes. Okay. And embryo transplantation. Yes, both are correct. See here, next reason. The super ovulation is induced by hormonal injection in high yielding buffaloes. Okay. Yes, but some complication is there. So both are correct. Okay. But reason is not the correct one. When you are giving the introduction, injection, okay, you will not get the super ovulation. See that? So the option is which one, the B is the correct one. The both assertion reasons are true, but reason is not a correct explanation of the assertion. How it will be there? See that option. Breed of cattle, rabbits, buffalo, etc. can be improved by super ovulation. The first point is okay. And embryo transplantation. When an animal is injected with hormone FSH, follicle stimulating hormone to induce follicle maturation, they produce 6 to 8 eggs instead of 1 egg. It has the objective to produce large number of embryo for embryo transfer. Okay, this is the correct option. Hormone is also injected, but they told which one, Super ovulation induced by hormonal ovulation in high yielding of buffaloes only, they told. No, it is not a buffalo. They are using, what is that? Embryo, development of the large number of embryo only. So this is the critical thinking question, critical thinking. Large number of embryo only, not in the buffalo. You may tell us, sir, the embryo develop into the buffalo, no, sir. No, they ask which is the correct option. When you are introducing, you will get the one embryo, isn't it? Normal. When you are injecting the FSH, what happens? You will get 6 embryo, 6 to 8 embryo. 6 to 8 embryo. That is very, very important, my dear. So this is the concept. This is the concept. Next one is, okay, which stage is primary succession? What is the meaning of primary succession of the plant is shown in the given diagram? Okay. Red swamp stage, marshy meadow stage, scrub stage, submerged free floating plant stage. See the diagram. You will know the answer. See the diagram. You can easily give the answer. Which one is the correct answer is on that. Red swamp stage? No. Marshy meadow stage? No. Scrub stage? No. The last one, submerged. See here. Some of the plants, what happened? No. Free floating. Isn't it? Submerged means partially, what is that? Dipped in the soil, like that. Partially dipped. Okay. Here also leaf is there. Here also leaf is there. This is called a submerged. Free floating. See here, there is no, the root is not attached to the soil, bottom of the soil. It is also free floating. That is the correct option. This is also a diagrammatical question as well as the direct question. Both. Okay, my dear. Okay. See this one. The given stage is submerged free floating plant stage of primary succession. Okay, my dear. So you must note it down. These are the important points. Go to the next one. Which of the following animals having a longest lifespan among all the following? These simple things. This is a direct question also. Very simple questions. Butterfly, 1 day. Crocodile, long. Crow, innumerable. Tortoise, So the option is C or D. Crocodile, already innumerable. Tortoise, already innumerable. Take an example. Tortoise is the highest 300 years. Okay. It has the lifespan. Long lifespan. Why? The breathing. Okay. Breathing. Ability. Okay. In human, just to take an example, 1 minute, how many breathing? That cycle is there, respiratory cycle. Already know about 16 times. 1 minute, how many times? 16 times. It's a normal one. Okay. But tortoise, it will take how many days? 10 days, 1 breath. See the difference? 1 minute, 16 times. 10 days, 1 minute. Imagine. Okay. So the lifespan is increased with the help of the breathing ability only. Breathing control. That's why all are telling me which one, breathing exercise is also good for the increasing the lifespan. That's why all of you do it practically, properly. And also practice it. Tortoise has the longest lifespan. How many years? 300 years and more. Okay. Go to the next one. Oyster cycle. Listen here, my dear student. This is also one of the NEET question, my dear. Definitely it will come. Oyster cycles. Don't forget. NEET 2023. Definitely. Oyster cycle. Human being already innumerable. What is the cycle is there? What is the cycle is there? Menstrual cycle. What is the meaning of oyster cycle? Only it occurs in the seasonal time only. Okay. All mammals, it will not come. Okay. All primates, it will not come. See this? Female placental mammal except primates. Okay. This is the correct answer. All vertebrates, it's not. So the answer is the third one is the correct answer. Third one is the correct answer. Note it down, my dear student. Oyster cycle only occurs in the primates, right? Okay. Particularly female of placental mammals. Female of placental mammals. Particularly primates. Apes. I think the example is maybe just check it, the answer. Apes. So primates. Go to the next one. All primates. Okay. They have given is the all primates. Sorry, it's not a right answer. So the third one is the correct answer. This is not a correct answer. This is not a correct answer. Okay. This is not a correct answer. Which one is the third one is the correct answer. Okay. Female of the placental mammal except primates. Go to the next one. Refer the following disease. Choose the correct combination of the bacterial diseases. Refer here following disease and choose the correct combination of the bacterial diseases. Typhoid, elephantiasis, cholera, tuberculosis. Okay. See, typhoid, mosquito, elephantiasis, Ucharidia pancreativa, cholera, Vibrio cholera, tuberculosis, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Here, just take an example. So all the things. What is the correct combination they asked? What is the correct combination? Typhoid, Salmonella, typhic. Isn't it? 4 types is there. Okay. Elephantiasis. Elephantiasis is Ucharidia pancreativa. Okay. And cholera, Vibrio cholera. Okay. Vibrio cholera caused by which one, and elephantiasis caused by which one? Typhoid caused by which one? Typhoid is one of the Salmonella typhi bacteria, isn't it? Elephantiasis is also one of the pancreativa. It is also worms-like structure, mosquito. Cholera, Vibrio cholera, bacteria, isn't it? And then tuberculosis, Mycobacterium tuberculi, Mycobacterium, bacteria. Okay. Which one is the exception here? The elephantiasis is the Ucharidia bacteria is nothing but the one of the worms, particularly Culex, mosquito. So the option is C is, what is that? Wrong. Where there is an option, B is where is option? A, B is present here, B is also present here, B also present here. Which one is the wrong answer? Correct option, So this is the correct option. A, C, D is the correct option. Okay, my dear. So this is critical thinking. Okay, critical thinking question. You must know all the options, which one is causating organism, then only you can identify the option. Which of the following organisms show the parthenogenesis? What is by parthenogenesis? Parthenogenesis is nothing but the fruit formation takes place without, without fertilization. Okay, fruit formation. But rotifers, honeybees, turkey. Okay, so the all of this, the option is what? Which one? This one is called as all of these the correct answer. This is also know the answer, known answer, but at the same time you have to practice it. Okay, rotifer and honeybee, turkey, these are all considered parthenogenesis organisms. Okay, for the next one. We will finish it up to the 50 questions. Assertion. Asexual reproduction is a rapid mode of reproduction. Asexual reproduction is the rapid mode of reproduction. Yes. Asexual reproduction is one of the rapid mode of reproduction. Is the correct one. It plays an important role in the evolution. Evolution is not possible. How it will be possible? Okay. Where there is a crossing over takes place, then only the evolution is possible. Okay. Asexual means there is no sexual, what is that? Fusion, male as well as the female, means you will get the zygote from the two different parents. But here, asexual means, what is that meaning? Only one parent. Okay, only one parent. So what happened? The evolution is completely lagged. So the option is which one? A and R are true. R is not a correct explanation of the A. It is not correct. Both A and R are true, but R is the reason not correct for the explanation of A. No. Both A and R are false. No. A is true statement, but R is false. This is the correct one. Okay, my dear. So the answer is the, which one? The last one is the correct answer. Okay, my dear students, remaining things we will see the next classes, my dear. Please keep on practice per day. Once again, I repeat for you. You have to practice per day 2 questions. Okay, per day 2 questions. It's within short period. You are having only short period, isn't it? 16 days only. Okay, you have to stop the study up to 5th day. When? May 5th. You are having the exam May 7th, isn't it, my dear students? Before 2 days or 1 day, as you are convenient, 6th or 7th, depends upon the traveling and so and so. Okay, you have to finish it up to this level. You have to practice at least 20 questions full test. Full test. Not only this, and also practice it more test, you will get more idea, and also refer the NCERT book. If you have any doubt, please go to refer the NCERT book. Okay, that is very, very important, also helpful for your success. Thank you so much for the participation. Bye, take care, and also good night, my dear students. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, take care, ma'am. Thank you, my dear students.